Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious Seamoss sponge from scratch. And today's episode is being sponsored by Caribbean Flavors. This is available in Trinidad and Tobago and also on Amazon. So let's get started with this. To start, we're going to open our pack of Seamoss and empty it into a bowl. We need to wash the Seamoss properly to get all of the salt that's on the Seamoss out. Fill your bowl with water and then go in and rub the Seamoss with your fingertips to help wash that Seamoss. And then drain. You want to wash this a couple of times because there are tons of salt grains in the Seamoss and you don't want to have a salty Seamoss in the end. So wash it, rinse it really well. Remove it from the bowl, set it aside, give the bowl a good wash. You just want to make sure that the bowl is nice and clean. Next, return the Seamoss. And now we're going to wash it with half of a lime or lemon. So squeeze in your lime or lemon juice and mix it really well. Next, discard the lemon, discard the water. And fill it up with more water. Make sure it covers the Seamoss because now we're going to leave it to soak for about 15 minutes minimum. The longer you leave it to soak, the softer it's going to get and the faster it will boil. To a pot, I'm going to add in my soaked Seamoss. Add in water. Now we're going to place this on a medium-low heat and allow it to come up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, you're going to see that Seamoss start breaking down really quickly. That's the reason why we soaked it and not boil it right away. Once it's nice and translucent and very soft, you can put it into your blender. I'm using my immersion blender here to help me blend it into a very smooth concentrate. You guys notice I did not boil this with any cinnamon sticks. It's because the cinnamon stick tends to turn it into a brown liquid and I want it to maintain this nice beautiful color that the Seamoss has. Once you blend it and it cools down a little, pour it into your storage container. See how beautiful and smooth this liquid looks? That's what you want. Now it's time to make our Seamoss sponge. So I'm using 1 cup of the concentrate. Use as much or as little as you want. Pour that into your blender. Next, I'm going to go in with evaporated milk and whole milk or stayfresh milk. And if you wanted to make this non-dairy, of course, you can use almond or coconut milk. In goes some Caribbean Flavors mixed essence, or you can use vanilla essence. Sweetened condensed milk, which is totally optional, or you can use sugar. Some cinnamon. And some freshly grated nutmeg. And some Angostura aromatic bitters, which can be found on Amazon if you live in the US. Cover, and now we're going to blend it so all of those flavors can combine. So because I omitted the cinnamon sticks when I was making the concentrate, that's why I put it in here. It tastes better that way when you put it fresh like this. All you have to do is pour yourself out a glass over ice, or you can have it just as. That's as easy as it is to make this Seamoss sponge. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it. Let me know down below what you think. Remember, the Seamoss is available on Amazon for anyone living in the US. Thank you so much for watching and continue to stay safe. Bye everyone.